A crown on the Ayrshire coast, where cliffs meet the sea. Culzean Castle stood grander than it's ever seemed to be. Not just for history or gardens kept so fair, but for the thunderous silence of a classic car sitting there. Oh, what a day of wonder, what a glorious shining sight. The castle and the classic cars all basking in the light. We knew it as we watched it with a bursting happy heart. This was the best car show we've ever done, true and perfect art. The crowds, they came in numbers that we never could foresee. A happy, buzzing multitude as far as I could see. They pointed at the MG car, so elegant and low, and cheered the beautiful classics from seasons long